Good morning, YouTube. I've got a question for you guys. I've heard different things along the road over the past 14, 15 years. And my question is this: does it matter if you are clean shaven, bearded, mustached, short hair, long hair? Does that make a difference in your experience regarding the customer's perception? Does it have anything to do with actually being able to service the unit, service their equipment? My experience has been that obviously physical appearance does not matter in your skills, and what I have found is that despite whether I've worn a beard, had a shaved head, long hair, mustache, etc., once I've spoken to the customer and dealt with their problem, they could care less if I showed up wearing a monkey suit. So, question of the day: does it matter what you look like? Comment, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.